Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, and today we're doing another review on a Toyota Tacoma. We're doing a RollnLock A Series with the Cargo Mgr, and we also put an N-Fab RS steps on. So let's come on over here, let's take a look. Before I go into all the functions of the cover, now as you know, RollnLock has several different models. The A Series is their aluminum model. This is going to hold 300 pounds with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. I do like how it looks. As you know, the M Series has the vinyl, but I really do like this old metal version. I think it looks terrific, and it holds up really well, especially here in Florida. The sun can bake the pants off covers, and this matte finish does very nice. Now, let's go here and show you some other features. Now, one thing I always like about the RollnLocks is how nice they open up. They really do open up really nice. Now, the most important thing, people, when they have a short bed like this Toyota Tacoma, is how much space am I going to lose to this canister? Well, as you notice, it's not too bad. There's still quite a bit of space underneath there, so you can easily put lumber in there and stuff like that. So you can use the space underneath here. And if you notice, we'll put the drainage tubes to the side and not in the floor. Why do we do that? It's so it doesn't get knocked out all the time. I mean, every time you put them in the floor, it works either way, but the thing is, you're always going to be hitting them. Doing it this way, you're not going to have that problem. Now, here's one of my favorite accessories, the Cargo Mgr. And I really think this is a great product. You just go ahead and squeeze these little fellas. This locks in anywhere along the track. You see the little spots along here? That's your locking mechanism. And this is great. You're putting your groceries in. You don't want them rolling everywhere, going everywhere. You know, just slide it right up there, lock it in place. It does, I don't know if you see these little hooks here, but you can actually make it go flat. So it sits just like this. So again, if you need that extra space, you're putting something in here, you don't have to take it out. You just make it go flat. It's really, really a nice feature. Again, locks in here anywhere along the track. Very nice. So I tell you, if you get a RollnLock, you got to get the Cargo Mgr. It's a terrific accessory for this, and everything on this works really good, looks good. I mean, there we go. And you can lock this at different spots along here. Let me go ahead and show you real quick. I can pull it up here, I hear a little clicking noise. There you go. So you can have it partially open if you want it, you know. So that's a nice feature as well. And also, you can also pull it with your hand if you want. You know, of course, use this. And this is just very convenient. I mean, you can just pull it really fast, opens up real quick. Everything terrific. So you got your 3-year manufacturer warranty. We can ship this anywhere in the country. We also offer installation. If we install it for you, you get the 1-year labor guarantee from C&H, which covers your labor. So parts are covered by RollnLock, labor covered by us. Also, there is a promotion going on. I don't know when it's going to end. It might end at the end of this year. So if you have it professionally installed, the manufacturer is offering double the warranty. So instead of a 3-year warranty, it goes to a 6-year warranty. It's through Truck Hero. And if you have it done by us, because we're an authorized dealer, you get double the warranty. And guess what? They don't charge you for that. So that's a real nice feature, as long as you get the install done. Now, come over here. We got the N-Fab RS steps. Now, if you know some previous videos, I always prefer a step that comes down a little bit. A lot of the factory steps sit about 2 inches taller, right where this bar would be, which is a little too high. Having these come down a little bit, it makes a true step. So instead of you're down here now, instead of up here, it makes a big difference, because you'd be surprised when they're up here, you're actually stepping over them and not into them. As you can see how much difference is here. And of course, nice big foot here. And great product. It looks good, it's functional, and it is strong. So if you were driving and something hit you in the side here, it would actually protect the vehicle. Also, if someone opens the door, it does kind of keep you from getting dings depending on the height of the door. So it serves a lot of purposes. It looks good, helps you get in and out of the vehicle, protects the side of the vehicle. And NFab is a brand that I do like, and it's a terrific brand. It's reasonably priced. It's not the most expensive out there. It's also not the cheapest, but it's a good quality product. Again, we can ship these anywhere in the country. If you like these and you say, hey, I want to get a set, call the store. Ask for Dave, who's behind the camera. Ask for me, Chris, or John, or Buddy, whoever answers the phone, and we can send it to anywhere in the country, or just come into our store like this gentleman and have us professionally install it for you. Again, if you like what we're doing with all our videos, because I'm trying my best to show you all our different products, on different vehicles. Like if you own a Toyota, I want to have all the models on that Toyota. So if you say, hey, I got a Tacoma, oh, now I can see what an A Series look like, or M Series, or a Retrax, or a folding cover. I have all the videos on that brand. So it makes life a lot easier, because a lot of manufacturers will make one video and they'll put it on a Ford F-150 and say, but maybe you want to see how it would look on your personal truck. And this is why we do so many of these cover videos. We want to make sure everyone can see how it looks on their truck. And again, if you like it, hit the like button, doesn't cost you anything, and subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all our new products. Again, this is Chris in Margate, Florida at C&H Auto Accessories, doing a review of the A Series RollnLock, the Cargo Mgr, and the N-Fab RS steps. Thank you.